Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to register a domain name. So if you are new to domain name term, then let me explain it for you in simple words. So just let's say if someone wants to visit you, then you will be giving them your physical address, right? Let's say if I want to come to you, then you will give your home address or you will give the address currently where you are residing at, right? So this will make it easier for me to visit you. The same way, if someone want to visit your digital products or digital store, then for that one you need a domain name. So domain name is the name which user will type in URL bar or in Google to search your particular service or product. Okay, so just if you see the example here, so like this is 7topics.com, that is my website blog mainly. So if someone want to visit to my blog, then simply they can type 7topics.com in the URL and they can come to my blog and they can look at my blog post or any other services, right? In the same way, if I tell you this is like invix.com, this is again URL shortening service that is provided by me. So in this one also user can type in the URL and they can come to my website and they can use my services, right? So this is all about the domain name. So now before moving to the further steps of registering the domain name, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it, and if you like the video till the end, then do like it and share it with your friends. Okay, so mainly in this video we are going to use three domain registrars. Okay, so that is hostgator.com, godaddy.com and namecheap.com. So whichever you find suitable for your needs, you can go with them. Okay, so again prices vary for domain name registration from one to another domain registrars. Okay, so firstly I will be starting from hostgator, and the links to all the domain registrars will be given in the description, so you can use that particular link to get to their websites. Okay, so let us get started. So now if you see here in hostgator, if you want to purchase a domain name, simply go to this particular page. Okay, so domain, so go to this menu. So here you will find two things, one is the registered domain and one is transfer domain. So mainly we will go with registered domains. So mainly transfer domain is like if you are already having a domain name on any other domain registrar and you want to transfer it to your hostgator account, then you can do so by clicking on this transfer domain. Okay, so now we are going to do is register a domain name. So just click on register domain. Okay, so here few points I will like to share before we proceed further. So domain name should be simple. First thing, simple in the sense it should be easy to remember and easy to follow. So some people use too many numbers in the domain name. That is also wrong. Like if I say like I used 7topics.com, means 7 is a number, right? But still it is easy to remember and easy to type. That is not that much hectic. But if you write something like 24 hours blogging, so that may be a little bit different, but still that you can also do, but complexity should be minimum for user to type. Okay, apart from that, if I say indivix.com, so that is like simple, very simple, like 6-letter word and you can type it easily, right? So just keep it a small and simple. Okay, don't use any symbols inside your domain name because that will have different kind of effects and it will make more hard for user to remember or to type. Okay, so don't use that one. Okay, so first thing you have to do here is you have to type a domain name that you want to register. And as you know that like internet is going on from more than a decade, it's like to more than 20-30 years. So like it may be not easy for you to find your domain name now because almost every good domain has been registered, but still you can find some domain names if you focus on what you are going to do with some unique searches. Okay, so just try to search for the domain name that you find fit for your business. Okay, and if you finalize it, then you can get that particular domain for you. I would suggest that always prefer .com domains. Okay, never go for any other domains because .com is for completely commercial purpose and is known globally. So means a user residing in any part of country can visit your website. Okay, so that is like global appearance for your business. And if you are doing that in a locality like in a country, so then you can go for the country specific domains. So let's say if I am in India, then I can go with .in. So if someone is in UK, then that they can go with .co.uk. So something like it. Okay, okay, so I have already searched a domain name that is available and that I will be using in this particular tutorial to help you learn how to register domain name. So that is like start simpleblog.com. Okay, so this looks little like you can say easy to remember, right? A start simple blog, that's it. And then click on search. So now as you can see, it is getting displayed as congratulations, your domain is available. Okay, so now if you want to get this particular domain name, then simply you can firstly check for all the things that are there. So we only want domain name, right? So that's it, and we can select the term for which we want this particular domain name. Okay, and now again one more thing is here, that is privacy protection. So if you take privacy protection, then that is going to add more $14 into your cart. So we don't want this thing, simply we can remove this particular thing. So mainly if you want to protect your domain from getting exposed to some other persons, like if you don't want to share your domain information related to your address or the name to which that particular domain has been registered to, then you can use this privacy protection. Okay, but here we don't need anything like that, so simply we can go with this simple domain name only. Okay, and then click on continue to checkout. So now here you have two options. So either you can log in. So if you are having your account by default, then you can log in, or you can go with creating an account. Okay. So I have my account, so I will log in it and then I will come back in the same page. Okay. Okay. So now once you are done with your account registration, then you will be getting this particular tab, so that is payment option. So here you need to enter your complete detail like first name, last name, then company detail. So you have to fill in all the details and then you can click on continue to checkout. And after your this particular detail is filled, then you will get your order summary. So this is the simple process that you have to follow to get your domain name registered. So once it is done, then you will receive email from HostGator with the confirmation of your domain name registrations. Okay, so now we will move to godaddy.com to see how you can register a domain name from GoDaddy. So here also I will be using the same domain name, that is a start simpleblog.com. Okay, so let us search for this one. Here if you see, it is going to cost you $0.42 per month, and this offer is only for the first year. So for first year it will cost you $5 to $6 for domain name, and once the first year term is over, then it will cost you approximately $1.50 per month, that is $18 per year. Okay, so you can choose GoDaddy if you want this discount for the first year, and once done, then simply you need to click on add to cart. Okay, so as you see, it is displaying $83.95, and that is because by default it is selecting for 5 years of term. Okay, but we don't need this 5 years of term, so simply we can select 1 year term. So as you can see, 1 year term is going to give you 33% of discount, and that will cost you $11.99 only. Okay, and if you go for second 2 years, then it will cost you $29.98. So that we don't want. Simply we can go with 1 year's option because that is having more discount. Okay, and once done, then simply you can click on continue to cart. Okay, so here if you see, they are also offering this full domain privacy and protection. So we don't need this one. So simply click on no thanks, and then is here start your website for free. So like they will be giving you website builder option to create a website. This also we don't need. Still it is free. If you want to use it, you can check this option and you can use it, and you can later on disable it if you don't need. Okay, and then is your create an email address and all those things. So if you are already having a good hosting plan, like if you are planning to get a VPS server, then you don't need to go with these things, because in VPS server you can set your own email server, right? So again, if you want business email from GoDaddy, then you can select these options. If you don't want, simply select no thanks. Okay, and then click on continue to cart. Okay, so here also, if you see, the final price is $11.99. And if you have any promo code, so you can search for promo codes on the internet, and if you get any promo code, you can apply it here to reduce the discounts. Okay, to reduce the price by adding more discounts. So then click on checkout. Okay, okay, so here also you need to sign in first, and if you don't have any account, then you can create your account. Okay, so I will log into my account here. So click on sign in. So once you're done with the signing, okay, then you need to fill your payment information. So how you would like to pay? So just select your payment option and then click on next. Okay, means click on save. So in next page it will ask the confirmation to pay, and once you are done, then you will receive the billing invoice stating that your order has been confirmed and domain has been registered. Okay, so this is how you do it in GoDaddy. So now we will move to namecheap.com. Okay, so if we come to namecheap.com, so here you can see, here also we will do the same thing. You will search for our domain name, that is start simple blog.com, then click on search. So here also it is displaying it as available, and as you can see, it is the lowest price that you have ever seen, either from HostGator or from GoDaddy. Okay, so if you want to go with this price, then Namecheap is better for the cheapest option for purchasing a domain name. Okay, so then click on add to cart. Okay, then it is added to cart. Then you need to click on view cart here, or you can click on checkout from here. Okay, so once you are here, then it is displaying they are offering hoist guard. Okay, means privacy and protection is completely free in this one. So like this one is like awesome. So Namecheap, you can go and you can have privacy protection from their side for free. Okay, so as you can see here, you can expand this one to learn what is there displayed. So like it is like privacy protection service that hides your personal info in public hoist database. Okay, so like keep your database safe and helps to avoid spam. So now you get this one free from their side, so you don't need to pay any single penny for this one. Okay, so these all things we don't need, these all SSL VPN, these all things. Okay, so you can simply confirm your order. So as you can see, your domain name was $8.88, and one is ICANN fee, so that is mandatory. So that is like you will have to pay, because ICANN is like internet corporation, and they assign you the domain name, and domain registrar are just doing that job for you to make the things easy. Okay, so now just click on confirm order. If you have any promo code, you can apply it here, and then you can click on confirm order. So as you can see here also, you need to first enter your account detail in order to continue. So if you don't have account, then you firstly create the account, and then you can click on create account and continue. Okay, so I will firstly log in. Okay, so I will log in and continue because I have account already. So after login, you need to enter your payment information, like how you would like to pay. So again, do the same, enter your complete card details, and then you need to enter your billing address, and then you can select if you want to do automatic renewal, then you can select automatically to renew your services when it gets expired. Okay, and then you can click on continue, and then you can pay, and once it is done, then you will receive the billing invoice in your mail. Okay, so that's all from my side. Hope you like this video and it will help you register a domain name with ease. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.